Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by heating the emblem to soften adhesive. This reduces paint stress and makes removal faster. Once warm, slide dental floss or nylon line behind the emblem using a sawing motion to break the glue bond. Use plastic pry tools only if floss won't reach studs. Make sure to keep the tool angle shallow to avoid creasing the panel. If you encounter clips or studs, stop and inspect before applying more force, because different fixings require different removal methods. Once the emblem is off, focus on cleaning the surface. Apply isopropyl and gently scrape residue with a plastic blade to avoid scratches. For stud-mounted emblems, open the trunk or hood, locate nuts or push clips, and remove them while supporting the emblem so it doesn't fall. Make sure to keep all fasteners organized. Reusing OEM hardware preserves fit. If adhesive remains, reheat briefly and peel. If stubborn, use an automotive adhesive remover sparingly and wipe clean afterward. You align the replacement emblem using a tape guide or by lining up factory holes so it sits perfectly straight. Accurate placement prevents leaks and wind noise. Once aligned, apply new adhesive tape or refit studs and torque nuts just to snug. Over-tightening can warp the badge. Press firmly for 30 to 60 seconds to seat the bond, then remove guides. If something goes wrong, paint lift or poor adhesion, stop and use clay bar, degrease, and consider an adhesive promoter or seek a paintless repair pro.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.